Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you the two ways by which you can fund your Facebook ads account. Now, there are two methods by which you can fund your Facebook ad account, but before we get into the tutorial today, please, if you are very new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload content about digital marketing or Facebook marketing information, you get notified and you watch the video. Okay, so let's get to the practical started. So what you need to do guys is that you can do all these things right from your phone. As you can see, I'm using my phone to do all these things. All you have to do is to follow the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you too can fund your account in two different ways, either in Naira or in dollar, which of the way you are good to go. So just follow the step I'm taking in this video. So number one thing you need to have is your Facebook Ads Manager app. You have to download it and install it on your phone. So how do you get that? You need to go to your Google Play Store right here. You go to your Google Play Store. Then when you get to your Google Play Store, you have to type and search for Facebook ads. You can see Facebook Ads Manager. So when you have it, this is how it's going to look like. You can see this is the icon. This is the right one you're supposed to download. Okay, so when you download it, you can open it and then you start using it. Okay, now this is the first app you need. Another app you need to get this thing done is what we call Butter Hub. So let me go to show you Butter Hub. So you can see it here. This is my Butter Hub. Now, a brief overview about this Butter Hub, let me quickly explain to you guys, is that Butter Hub can be used to transfer locally or internationally, and at the same time, with the help of Butter Hub, you can create your virtual dollar card. Okay, if you have not yet registered with Butter App and you are interested to use Butter App as far as Butter is concerned, you can check the description of the video. I have a link that can lead you to where you can easily install and enjoy Butter Hub. So in this tutorial, I'm going to make use of two applications to get this thing done. The first one is Facebook Ads Manager app, and the second one is Butter Hub. Now, let's go straight into the Ad Manager as the first thing to do. So here we go. This is my Ad Manager. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so when your Facebook Ads Manager open up, this is how it's going to look like, right? So the next thing you have to do is to come to the top here where you see this three dot here. So just click on that. So you click on that, it's going to open up this way. Now, here you need to tap on this place here to see the drop down. So I'm going to tap on it right away. Now you can see we have three different ad accounts. So the first one here is my name. The second one here is my business name. The third one here is one of my clients' ad. So I'm less concerned about that. So now this first one here is my dollar Facebook account. This second one here is my Naira Facebook Ads Manager. Now, you may decide to pay into either of Naira account or either of dollar account. You can test run the two and see which one is very much cheaper for you when you are running your Facebook advert on Facebook campaign. Okay, now let's start from funding with dollar accounts. This is my dollar Ads Manager, like I said. So we have, you can see it has been active, right? Okay, so I'm going to fund this account right now. Then you guys can see how it goes. Okay, but before we can fund the account, like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, is that you need to create a dollar virtual card, which I made mention of using Butter Hub. So I'm going to exit from Ads Manager now, just to show you guys my dollar card. So here is my Butter app. So I'm going to click on it right away. So you can see this is my Butter app. A very good thing about this Butter app is that you can be surprised if you transfer fund from this Butter app to any Nigerian bank, it is not going to, they're not going to charge you for any transaction fee. There are a lot of things you can do with this app. You can as well buy airtime, you can as well pay bills, you can as well send money using this Butter app. This Butter app is very much good. I've used it in several times and I don't have any issue with that. So if you have not yet downloaded and used Butter app, you can check the description of this video, follow the link there and download your Butter app and use it. Now, back to the tutorial. Here is my Butter card. Okay, so if I click on it now, you can see my virtual dollar card. Now, when you create your dollar card, you can see my name on the card. So this is my current balance. I have $2.88 on this card. This is the card number. And this card is going to expire in 2025 and the name on the card. And the type of the card is Visa. Now, this card here, you can use it to do anything online. Any online payment gateway that accepts dollar payment, you can use this card to do it. So these are the kind of things you can do with your Butter app. Okay, so I'm going to make use of this card here to pay for the Facebook ads. Okay, so I have already installed saved this card on my Facebook ads. So you can see this is the card number here. So it is a Visa card. So I have already installed it on my Facebook ads. So when you just create it, just make use of it on your Facebook ads manager in case you want to pay with Facebook, in case you want to pay for your Facebook ad in dollar rate. Okay, so I have to go back to my Facebook ads now. Here we go. Now I'm going to make payment. All you have to do is to click on payment after you have selected payment with dollar. Okay, so when I click on payment, the payment page is going to load up. Now, one thing you will be surprised here is that I'm trying to pay in dollar, but I still see Naira here. It doesn't matter. All you have to do is that everything has to do with setting. Okay, so it depends on the way you set your Facebook ads manager, whether you set it in Naira, whether or you set it in dollar. But at the same time, you can have the two accounts at the same time, whether Naira account or dollar account, and use it for business purpose. Okay, now I'm funding this account with 100 Naira, as you can see. Now this is my dollar card. This is the one I'm going to use to make the payment in dollar. So I'm going to click on fund, add fund. Okay, so when I click on add fund, you can see the option here. Now I need to switch the card to Visa card right here. So I'm paying with Visa card. Remember, my card is my dollar card is Visa. Then you have to come to the top here and type in the amount you want to pay into the account. So I'm clicking on here. So I have to delete the default figure. Then I will just type in 100 Naira. Okay, so I'm paying 100 Naira. So after that, click on add fund. Okay, so there is no any amount of money you can fund the account with. I'm just using it in this tutorial. Now you can see that this is the instruction given by the Facebook that you are adding 100 Naira to your prepaid balance and your current balance will be 200 Naira, which simply means that I have 100 Naira on this account already. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on confirm. Oh, then you can see the payment has been done. Click on done. So if I refresh now, you see my current balance will be changed to 200 Naira. So let me go back. Sorry. Let's go back to the Facebook ads. Then we go back to payment. So you can see now that the current balance here now is 200 Naira in my dollar hard account. Never mind the Naira sign, okay? Now, for you to know that I was able to charge from my dollar card, we can easily go back to my Barter app now. And if I refresh the page or I go home now, then I come back to the card. I come back to the card, then I refresh. So they will definitely charge me from this card. So if I click on the card, sorry, this is the card. Now you can see the charges for Facebook ads. I was charged 24 cents. Okay, so that's the current charge you can see right now. Now, let's quickly go back to back home, cards. Okay, so let's quickly go back to Ads Manager and see how you can fund your hard account with Naira card. Okay, so I have to go back to my, sorry for the interruption. So I have to go back to Ad Manager now to fund my account with Naira. Okay, then I have to click on here now. All right. Next step to take is to click on here to select my Naira account. All right, so my business name here is my Naira account. So I'm going to click on here to make it active. So automatically it has been converted to Naira account. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on payments. So when I click on payments, I can click on add fund. All right. Now at the point here, this is where you type the amount of money you want to add. So I'm putting the sum of 200 Naira to this account. Just 200 Naira to this account. Then my payment method is going to be this, pay you. You can see Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa card. So here you can use your MasterCard or Visa card, anyone, you are good to go. After that, come down below here and click on add fund. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to click on continue. All right, so you have to fill in your card detail here. Now, the first column here, you tick this place. Then you enter the card number, card holder name, month, expire date. Then you confirm your payment. So I'm going to fill all this detail right now. So I'm going to select this, which is card. Then I will enter my card number. So you can use any card, any bank card to do this transaction. So just to make sure that it is a MasterCard or Visa card. So after confirming your payment, they're going to process the payment. So let's see. Boom. So here we go. So you have to scroll down and click on here to tick on this box. Then click on submit. Right, so I need to go and check my mail address or my phone number, text message to receive the OTP code. So let me check my mail. Okay, the code is here. It's 52. Wow, nice network. Okay, 52. And then 526595. 6595. So finally, you click on submit. So you can see now that your transaction was successful. You can see the instruction there. So if I go back now to my ad account, Facebook ads, so let's see the current balance. Here we go. And here, then my Naira account, you can see it has been active. And payment. Wow. So you can see we have 400 Naira as against the previous balance in Naira, because the previous balance was 200 Naira. Now we had more 200 Naira. We have 400 Naira balance now. So from this balance here, this is where Facebook is going to charge me if I use my Naira account. If I use my Facebook ads Naira account to run advertisement, okay? But if I use my dollar account, if I click on here now, I choose my dollar account, you can see the interface is not the same. Naira, my dollar account has 200 Naira. So you can see the interface here. It's not the same like if I choose my dollar account from this point here. This is my dollar account. So you can see the interface are not the same. So this is how you fund your account, either Naira account or dollar account on Facebook Ads Manager using your mobile phone. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up. And lastly but not the least, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit on the notification bell icon. So whenever I upload content about digital marketing or Facebook marketing or whatsoever online marketing, you get notified and you watch the video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.